What is artificial intelligence, AI? Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that focuses on the creation of intelligent machines that can think and learn like humans. AI technology enables machines to mimic human intelligence and also improve the capabilities of the human mind. AI systems have the ability to process data, interpret speech, analyze patterns, identify objects, and make decisions on their own. Today, AI is being used across different industries from automobiles and finance to healthcare and retail. AI is helping to improve business performance and productivity by automating processes or tasks that are done manually. Companies are increasingly leveraging the power of AI to gain insights into their customers' preferences and behaviors. Using this data, they can also increase business efficiency and reduce costs. Examples of artificial intelligence, AI, robotic assistants, computer vision, self-driving cars, expert systems, virtual chatbots, facial recognition, auto-correction or text editors, personal recommendations for shopping, surgical robots, virtual travel booking assistants, social media monitoring. Now that you know what artificial intelligence is, let us learn what the different types of artificial intelligence, AI, are. What are the types of AI, artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, is divided into two major categories. AI Type 1, based on capabilities, AI Type 2, based on functionalities. To understand AI, it is crucial to distinguish between the different types and the current state of the technology. There are three types of AI, artificial intelligence, based on capabilities: narrow AI, general AI, super AI. There are four types of artificial intelligence based on functionalities: reactive machine AI, limited memory AI, theory of mind AI, self-awareness AI. Narrow AI or weak AI is a type of artificial intelligence that focuses on one specific task or area. It is designed to perform a specific set of tasks, and it has the ability to learn from data. It can be used to automate various day-to-day activities, help in decision-making, maximize efficiency, and cut down costs. It is being widely used in industries like finance, healthcare, robotics, retail, etc. Narrow AI has the potential to transform businesses, as it allows you to focus more on complex tasks, while machines can take care of routine tasks. Real-world examples of narrow AI: virtual assistants like Siri by Apple, Alexa by Amazon, IBM's Watson, self-driving cars, image or facial recognition software, disease mapping and prediction tools. Today, AI technology is used in multiple industries, including healthcare, finance, manufacturing, transportation, retail, digital marketing, and more. General AI, or Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, is a type of AI in which machines are designed to think, reason, and act like humans. It can learn, reason, and make decisions in a wide variety of contexts. Still in its nascent stages, researchers have yet to achieve the concept of general AI. General AI can be used to perform multiple tasks such as NLP, natural language processing, image recognition, robotics, generative AI, and many more. It can also help automate complex tasks that would otherwise require human intervention. General AI has the potential to change how we interact with technology in the future. Super AI, or Artificial Superintelligence, ASI, would be capable of outperforming humans. ASI machines are self-aware and expect to surpass human intelligence. They can perform any task better than humans. The concept of super AI is still hypothetical. Artificial superintelligence, ASI, is considered the most advanced and powerful type of AI. It has characteristics such as problem-solving, thinking, decision-making, and the ability to interpret human emotions and experiences. There are four types of artificial intelligence based on functionalities. Reactive machines are the oldest and the most basic forms of AI systems that are purely reactive. They have limited capability and do not have functionality based on memory. In other words, reactive machines do not possess the ability to learn from previous experiences and respond to actions. These types of machines emulate the human mind's ability to respond to different kinds of inputs. Reactive machines could only be used for automatically responding to a limited set or combination of inputs.